if your projects always take longer than expected, if simple builds feel harder than they should, or if your workshop feels busy but unproductive, there's a reason. Your workshop may be slowing you down, not because it's small, not because you lack tools, but because it's working against you instead of supporting you. Most DIYers don't notice this happening. The slowdown feels normal. It feels like part of the process, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we're breaking down why your workshop is slowing you down and how to fix it with simple, practical changes that actually work. Let's start with the biggest problem, friction. Every time you stop to search for a tool, clear space, or rethink your next step, friction is added to your workflow. 1 or 2 moments don't matter, but repeated all day, they drain time and focus. One major source of friction is poor tool placement. Not clutter, but distance. When tools are stored far from where they're used, your workflow breaks constantly. Walking back and forth doesn't feel costly, but it interrupts concentration. The fix is simple. Store tools where they're used most. Accuracy and speed improve when movement is reduced. Another slowdown comes from decision overload. Too many options slow progress. When every project requires choosing between tools, locations, or setups, mental energy is wasted. Systems remove decisions. Dedicated locations, repeatable setups, and consistent workflows keep momentum high. Cluttered work surfaces are another silent problem. A crowded bench limits movement and causes mistakes. A clear work surface gives you room to think and move. Empty space is not wasted space. It's functional space. Poor lighting is another issue that slows everything down. When visibility is low, your brain compensates. Guessing replaces certainty. That creates hesitation. Better lighting improves speed and accuracy instantly. Another common slowdown is inconsistent measuring systems. Switching tapes or references mid-project creates doubt. Doubt leads to double-checking. Double-checking slows progress. Consistency removes hesitation. Skipping setup time is another major problem. Rushing into work feels productive, but it causes rework later. 5 minutes of setup prevents 30 minutes of fixing. Workflows break when tasks are done out of order. Jumping between cutting, measuring, and assembly creates inefficiency. Batching similar tasks improves focus and rhythm. Tool condition also affects speed. Dull or dirty tools require more effort. Effort reduces control. Control reduces speed. Clean, sharp tools work with you, not against you. Another slowdown comes from poor material support. When boards wobble, you slow down to compensate. Stable support allows confident movement. Confidence speeds everything up. Overcomplicated designs also slow progress. More features mean more alignment points. More alignment points mean more chances for error. Simple designs build faster and perform better. Clamping habits matter more than most realize. Improper clamping leads to adjustments mid-process. Adjustments interrupt flow. Balanced clamping keeps projects moving. Dust buildup also contributes to slowdowns. Dust obscures lines and surfaces. Cleaning as you go maintains clarity and speed. Another hidden issue is poor ergonomics. Awkward posture causes fatigue. Fatigue reduces precision and pace. Comfort supports endurance. Frequent tool switching interrupts rhythm. Staying in one task mode improves efficiency. Reducing distractions also improves speed. Noise and interruptions break focus. Focused work finishes faster. Many DIYers also underestimate the value of routine. Starting sessions without a plan leads to wasted motion. A simple workflow plan improves efficiency immediately. Another major slowdown is relying on memory instead of systems. Memory fails under pressure. Systems perform consistently. Tool overload is another problem. Too many tools slow decisions. Fewer tools used outperform larger collections. Ignoring maintenance causes gradual slowdowns. Misalignment grows over time. Routine calibration keeps tools honest. The biggest slowdown of all is designing the workshop for appearance instead of function. A workshop should serve how you work, not how it looks online, not how others work. When your workshop fits your habits, speed becomes natural. Fixing even a few of these issues can dramatically improve how your workshop feels. Projects move faster, mistakes decrease, confidence grows. The goal isn't rushing, it's removing obstacles. When friction disappears, progress accelerates.